Milwaukee's Hex-Lok 2-in-1 handle is the most versatile threading solution. The Hex-Lok handle combines the ability to thread with 1-inch hex dies, while also being compatible with up to half-inch taps when paired with the Milwaukee tap collet. Featuring an innovative, tool-free design, the 2-in-1 handle allows users to easily swap between sizes, while reducing the number of components on hand. For maximum leverage and control, the handle's ergonomic grip and all-metal design are optimized for smooth operation in brass, aluminum, mild steel, and more. Experience the most controlled, smoothest threading with a Milwaukee Hex-Lok 2-in-1 handle, compatible with 1-inch hex dies and the Milwaukee tap collet.
If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work.